Marianne here again with you from Autohaus of Naples, and you have to excuse my appearance tonight because I just got out of a convertible. But tonight I have an awesome sports car. It is a 2016 BMW 428i Sport Coupe. So you can see it's awesome. You've got the black or jet black exterior with your black leather interiors. You can see your multi-function seats, multi-function steering wheel. Everything is black, black on black on black and black again. And like when you're looking for a little sports car, especially a coupe such as this, that is certainly something that is of interest. I'm going to show you the trunk space since we went ahead and popped it open. And as you can see, there's plenty of trunk space. You can actually put the seats down, and this way you can put anything you need, such as a vacuum, a broom, your hockey sticks, luggage, golf clubs if they need to go this way. There's lots of golf sets that you have the whole crew with you. Just kidding, at least you and a passenger. You could put a couple sets of golf clubs in there, like I said, luggage, whatever you need.
What else?
Parking sensors, because he's on the shit list here.
Anything else you can put in there?
Backup camera, a broom
Yeah.
for your witch at home.
Yeah.
Your parking sensors, backup camera. This car's really basically got it all. I'm killing my cameraman tonight because I'm going backwards, but he helped me open the hood tonight and accidentally popped the trunk, so I figured why not, let's do it this way. And you can see we have the awesome wheels, the sport wheels with the yellow, sort of like a yellow gold brake calipers. They're definitely pretty fierce if you ask me, sort of hot, sexy, vixen-like. You have your
Pork-wise,
xenon,
remember those new
oh,
cars?
that's right. BMW kills me, right? So on the new cars, in order to open the hood, you guys might want to know this information, you actually have to pull twice in order to release.
And you may want to unlock the passenger door.
Yeah, okay, that as well. In order to release the hood, you pull twice. There's no latch or anything. There's no fumbling around under the hood. All you have to do is pull twice and lift, and it lifts up for you with no problem. But if you pull the hood release once, it doesn't do it. So twice is definitely going to be the key number there. And let me see, I know we have a twin turbo, that's right, a twin turbo engine underneath there. Oh, and I completely forgot the best part about this car. We have less than 7,000 miles. And so not only do you have a huge savings, but we have less than 7,000 miles. So it really is basically the best of the best because you've got the low mileage. It's just been worn in for you, and definitely it's obviously been very well taken care of, as you can see. And you can see on the passenger side now that the door is no longer locked. So like I said, less than 7,000 miles. We've got the 240 horsepower engine, 2-liter turbo. So it is definitely going to be an awesome car to have. Over $50,000 window sticker was the original MSRP in this car, and that matters as a buyer because it also tells you a lot about the features and what it was worth. And now with just less than 7,000 miles, you can have the car, but with a lot more savings and just a little bit worn in. Oh, and not worn in, but yeah, I always say that sort of about the engine. And then of course your sunroof. So I'll take it on a test drive so you can see how much fun it is. All right, I'm gonna get it started up here and show you the backup camera. Awesome clear screen. I'm also going to show you the mileage, 6,895 miles on the car. I'm gonna put the windows down just because they are tinted, which I love. I think that it's very difficult to drive a car when they don't come with tinted windows. You have your sport plus, comfort, your economy mode as well. I'm just getting pulled out here. I opened the sunroof just to let more light in. And like I said, the multi-function steering wheel, you have your heated seats. your navigation, your Bluetooth.
What was this?
I felt like that was like Fred Flintstone.
Yeah.
I mean,
Too bad we didn't have him on tape.
yeah, if you guys could have seen what just kind of flew by, it looked like Fred Flintstone, but in
Homemade go-kart in a little
2018,
box.
yeah, 2018 Fred. Oh my gosh. Look, it's the best. If you're looking for a two-door sport coupe with all the bells and whistles, this would definitely be the car for you. If you're a BMW lover, it's the car for you. If you're looking for a huge savings, it's the car for you. How many times can I tell you it's the car for you?
Well, one more time.
If you need heated seats, it's the car for you.
Yes.
If you like tinted windows, it's the car for you. If you like me and you want to buy this car, it might be the car for you. Give us a call. It's 239-263-8500. Again, that is 239-263-8500. On the web, it's autohausnaples.com. You will see everything from the Carfax to almost 60 photos to this video, everything that you need to see and about this car.
I'm waiting for the full throttle start.
Could you stop interrupting
Sorry.
me? I'm going to fire my camera guy. Vote below. Are you happy now?
Oh, yes, I am.
And I will see you guys in the next one.